Whoa. What in the world? Can't even open this all up. Like, seriously? It's a massive junk drawer. Like, massive junk drawer. Yikes. So I'm going to be using a Dollar Tree bag to use to put all the garbage in, just so that way you can see everything that I throw away. So I'm really excited to share that with you. Hi friends. Okay, so welcome to this week's decluttering video. As some of you already know, I have been doing this collab with my friend Rachel from LiveLaughLoveMommy. It's supposed to be every Thursday, but last Thursday did not work out, came up on Sunday, and then this video is going to be either Saturday or Sunday as well. I have been suffering with a horrible migraine the past couple days, so now that the migraine is finally gone, I am feeling weak and nauseous. So this video I am not feeling well at all and I've been busy with work and other things too, so I really do apologize for the late upload. And in this video you're going to see some real life me being frustrated with my wonderful husband. I love him so much, but you do get to see my real frustration. So I hope you do enjoy that, and I hope this video gives you motivation to clean out some junk in your trunk. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Got this when I graduated. Yeah, I graduated late. I got my good enough diploma, aka GED, but I went to my graduation ceremony and I was really proud of myself because I actually did it. At that point in my life, I didn't think I could accomplish anything, and I did. So I got this. My mom got this for me so I could put a picture of my graduation picture in here, and I still haven't done that yet. That was in 2013. Yeah, I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna say how old I was. Like the smallest yet fattest screwdriver I've ever seen. That's so funny.
Let me guess, is this mine?
No, this right here is mine. This is yours. This is yours. This is yours. This is yours. This
guy's gotta go to work. Wait, what did you just throw away?
Oh my gosh, honey.
That's a Tamiya plug. You can't toss that.
Okay, right?
But no, these go to my.
But they're broken.
No, they're not. This come out and you can put new ones in. That can go away.
Oh my gosh. Oh, annoying. Okay, so now I need to vacuum all this crap up. That's disgusting. Yep. Love my husband. So I wanted to show you guys this. I found this in one of these like little bins, but it says, I promise to do what my mom says to do the first time she says or told me. That's because I said it would. Now, I know who did this, who wrote this. It was Jaden, because she went through a weird phase of calling me mum. Like, Just thought we were British. I mean, we are part British. We're part British, but still, we live in America. But she went through this whole phase of calling me mom. It was really hilarious. So I'm gonna always keep this because it's hilarious. Alright guys, this is how it's looking now. I think it looks way better, way more organized. So what I did is I put all my batteries and like battery operating things or things you need for your batteries in here, and like backs of things that need batteries in this little basket. I put the scissors right here in the far corner. Riley can't open this drawer. It's really heavy, so I feel okay with that. And right here is like the cords and stuff that extra cords, like extension cords and stuff. I have this, I'm utilizing some containers I already have so I don't have to buy any new ones. These are like those little snack things with the lids. I think it's from Glad, but I'm putting all of like the extra little candles in this. And in this one I have, I'm also utilizing an old little snack container. I'm just putting these clips in there. I got these from the Dollar Tree and Ross. These are really nice for your chips and stuff. And then I'm utilizing this little glass thing. I think I got this from Target Dollar Spot before. But I'm just putting like little rubber bands and like little hair ties that I can use for other things. And then like those twist ties thing in here. And I have these right here. I actually use these to go on backs of picture frames that don't have the hanging things. Those are actually really convenient. So I like to keep some of those. I threw away quite a bit of them though. And then I got this from a company from Elect City. And I will eventually be using that. So smart Wi-Fi outlet. Sorry, Riley is singing a song for you. But it's a smart Wi-Fi outlet, and I need a thing for that. So like, I think I need Hello Google or whatever it's called. You know what I'm talking about. But then anyways, and this thing, I got this from the from Walmart a while back ago for like $3 something, I think. And it came with all these little containers you can put inside here. But I put all my pens and pencils and markers right here that I might need. All here is like nails and you guys look, I didn't really organize this very good, did I? But nails, push pins, batteries apparently too, but all in here. Right here is like some baby safe stuff, like those little plug-ins, and then also for the cabinets and drawers in there. And here I have like some extra house thingies that we might need. And then here I have, this goes to our baby gate. I just have to put it back up. Some extra tape and glue. Yeah, and then right here is my husband's glasses spray lens cleaner and his little wipe. I thought that'd be a good spot for it. But yeah, anyways, this is how it looks now. Way better than it did before. Don't you agree? Give me a thumbs up, and Riley a thumbs up for his singing. Alright guys, I hope that video brought motivation to you. I hope it at least got you to get a little bit of boost that you might have needed to tackle your junk drawer or anything for that matter. I know it's really hard to tackle something that just looks so overwhelming. It was really hard. I had to take breaks during this video. You just didn't see it because for one, I am not feeling good today. Just really have not been feeling good. Had a horrible migraine the past couple days, and finally the migraine went away, but it left me really weak and just nauseous and just didn't feel good. So I did have to take some breaks. So yeah, and I was really overwhelmed by it, but I'm glad I got it done. I think it looks so much better, much more manageable. And the items that are not in there now, like my husband's tools, they're all in a box to be taken to his, like into the garage, into his section. So that's why you didn't see the tools inside of the drawer. And let me show you the bag really quick of all the garbage. All right, guys, look at this. It is very, very full of garbage. I'm so excited to throw all this out. And yeah, this all came from my that junk drawer. So yeah, I hope that this, just seeing a bag of garbage that came from that, will help give you motivation too. So yeah, I think that I did really, really good. I think I did a good job, and I really hope this video brings you motivation too. And like I said earlier, head on over to Rachel's channel, Live, Laugh, Love Mommy, and watch her video if you haven't yet. I know that her video is going to be very motivating, and she's just a great person. She really truly is a fantastic human being. So I think that if you haven't subscribed to her yet, you should definitely do that, because you will not regret watching her videos, and definitely like her video. And if you are new to me, please subscribe to me and like my video, because girl needs some motivation from you guys too. And when I get more subscribers and more likes, and yeah, airplane, and positive comments, it really motivates me to do even better with my next video and just do better altogether. So I really appreciate all of your guys' love and support. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and head on over to Rachel's channel after this. I'll put her information in the description box below, so you can just click on it and go directly to it. And I'll see you guys again in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.